In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're setting up sprints and sprint points so you can estimate work, understand team capacity, and roll up effort cleanly across tasks and assignees. By the end, your workspace will display clear point totals and per-person workload, making planning and retros far easier. Start by opening ClickUp and heading into the workspace you want to configure. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. You'll need the proper permissions to adjust workspace level settings, so if you don't see certain options, check with an admin. Next, open Settings. You'll find this in the main navigation. It's the gear that controls workspace-wide preferences and features. Inside Settings, look for the App Center. This is the hub where ClickUp centralizes add-ons and advanced capabilities you can turn on for everyone in the workspace. In the App Center, locate Sprints and open it. Sprints is the feature that gives you time-boxed iterations, velocity tracking, and the tools Agile teams rely on. Even if you're not running a strict Scrum process, these options help you bundle work, forecast effort, and keep scope realistic. Enable sprints and sprint points here. Turning on sprints unlocks sprint folders and velocity metrics across your lists and boards. Turning on sprint points adds the point field to tasks so you can estimate complexity or effort consistently. Pick a point convention that your team understands, keep it consistent, and treat it as a relative scale rather than exact hours. Now enable roll-up sprint points. This aggregates points from subtasks and checklists up to their parent tasks and higher-level containers. It prevents undercounting effort when work is broken down, and it keeps sprint totals accurate on lists and boards. With roll-ups on, your summaries reflect the true scope without manual math. Then enable points per assignee. This option distributes points across everyone assigned to a task, so capacity views and workload reports stay fair and transparent. It's especially helpful when multiple people share a complex story. Each person's portion contributes to their individual total, improving planning and preventing overload. Once these options are on, your changes are applied to the workspace. When you return to your boards and sprint views, you'll see point fields available on tasks, roll-up totals at higher levels, and per assignee point counts in workload and capacity indicators. If your team is new to points, start simple, review estimates during planning, and adjust as you learn. That's it. Your workspace is now set up to plan smarter, track effort clearly, and iterate with confidence using ClickUp sprints and sprint points.